Hey guys, welcome back. We are in the kitchen today doing a quick update. So what we are going to be doing is replacing some pendant lights. Try to go with the oil bronze that we have in our replacement fixtures in the kitchen. In the spring, we replaced a fan that was above the kitchen table with a chandelier, and we replaced the chandelier style light in the main portion, cooking portion of the kitchen with a fan. That way we can circulate a little bit more air. Now we got a oil bronze finish on both of these, and that's what we're trying to continue on with the lights that we have. The ones we have are more of a silver with a white pendant, and it just doesn't go with what we're looking for. Now this isn't the first time we've had to replace, or we tried to replace these. The first time we did it, we had to rewire everything to make sure it all fit, and the pendants we picked weren't what we were looking for. It didn't help with the brightness of the kitchen. So we returned those and we're trying something completely different. And this is what we picked out. It's a pendant light with a seated glass outside, and then it's got a frosted glass insert to help diffuse the light. Inside we have an Edison bulb, and then we had to order a separate cord for this because we picked this out because it's a pendant light and we needed to convert it to a track light. So we got a heavy duty braided track light cord, and then we had to make some modifications. So one of the things we have is this is the setup that came with the actual pendant themselves, and we needed something to strengthen this, so we got this beaded cord. So we tried to take our pendant that came with this and attach it to the glass, and it just was too short. So we're gonna have to use this one. So what we're gonna end up having to do is switch these out. Now, one of the problems that we came up with is this cord is about 6 inches too long. So what we did was we cut 6 inches off and then rewired it to this pendant system before attaching everything. So that's what we're gonna do today. call that a success. Alright guys, so that's it. That's the pendants look great. They fit perfectly. Everything works, thank God. But that's not the only updates we've done. We've gone over the 2 other lighting fixtures that we've put in, but we also did the doors behind me. We put in a new refrigerator, a new microwave, and even this little piece. We replaced our kitchen chairs, and Michelle picked these up from Target, and she's been on the hunt for them. It's been an ongoing battle to finally get all 4. But when we were pushing them into the table, we were seeing they were starting to add these dents. So when we went to the Renaissance Fair, we picked up these pieces of leather, scrap leather. And the nice thing is Michelle had the idea, they're all attached via Velcro. So we picked up a bunch of different types of leather. So if we ever decide that we want to change out from a light to a darker leather, we can do that. We have extra Velcro and extra leather. And trust me, we're not done. There's going to be more updates. There's always going to be more things that we're going to be doing in here. But that's just this room. In the future, I'll give you a tour of the house and tell you all the things we've done and some of the things we're looking forward to do. As well as stay tuned for the dragonfly video for the old fan that used to be in the kitchen. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.